here we got 3 traps, and we got 3 coons. So out of 7 traps on this property, we got 6 coons. So I'm going to start dispatching them here. I better hit him again. He's a nice coon.
Where's the third? Oh, right down the water.
Mayday, what'd you do with that box of bullets?
In the pocket.
Okay, alright, that's alright. Just wondering. I'm sure this was a group family type unit moving through here. And there wasn't a lot of sign here down in that mud. So, but there was a coon trail here. I'm going to show you something I do. Like on weekends when I bring kids along, they carry the coons for me. But if I got to go any distance, hauling these pigs up banks just wears me out. And so I carry this. The tapered foot on coons is what wears you out. Makes them hard to hang on to. That's probably 50 pounds of coon right there. And it's just a device. I got a couple cam locks on some cable, and it really makes it much easier. People may wonder, well, where did Jess here get the nickname Mayday? And do you mind if I tell this story, Jess?
You know, I think that'd be alright.
Alright. Back in 2006, we had the South Dakota Trappers Convention up at Volga in mid-September, and I'll be darned, a tornado came through. It was just a nasty, nasty storm, and it took out trees, and Jess here, he was kind of freaking out, and he was running around yelling, "Mayday, Mayday, we're all gonna die." And I didn't actually see it, but I'm told at one point he knocked an old lady over that was using a walker, and so that's the name Mayday. I mean, it's quite a scene.
Yes, that it was.
But suffice it to say, he can't show his face at any trapping convention in South Dakota again. In fact, he's been barred from the association.
Barred from the association.
Wiebe knives, voted one of Field & Stream's best hunting products. Every Wiebe knife comes with up to 24 wicked sharp replacement blades. After all, it's a Wiebe. Order your Wiebe knife today with up to 24 free replacement blades at wiebeknives.com.